Welcome to the Living History School. Today we're going to be making a primitive rocket stove out of clay and sticks. So we're going to take our digging stick here and we're going to dig up this clay. So we got some layer of dirt here, but it's mostly solid clay, and we're going to be taking this and molding it into a rocket stove. So what I did was I took the clay and I rolled it up into little coils, and now I'm making a chimney up to where this basically can will fit down inside the chimney, and then the heat will come around the can as the firewood's put in this way, and then the air comes through and comes up, burns the wood, and then the heat comes up around the can through the chimney and then out. And it should. Okay, now I've built this little chimney up. Basically, what we're going to do now is we're going to put mud in between here. I put a little stick across here, and I could build this up with mud up to about here. Remember now, this tin can is I'm gonna circle this tin can so it fits just about here. So I need to go up just about to the top of this can here, and then I'm going to put a green stick across the very top to hold the can sitting in there. And then I'm going to build this out kind of like an igloo. This would be the door to the igloo, and this is where the air is going to come in through and then go up underneath the can, around the can, and then out through the chimney. So here's some shots inside looking into the inside to the chimney or the stove. It's from the top looking down. Again, you could spend a lot of time on this. This probably only took me about 20 minutes so far. Okay, it took us about 35 minutes to build the stove, and now we're going to fire it up. I have some fat wood here. I have some fat wood that will get it started with. I have just some pieces of fir and cedar here. And the thing about a rocket stove is, a neat thing about a rocket stove is that you can use minimal amounts of wood, teeny bits of wood, basically to boil water. So we're going to test out and see how it works. The first ever that I know of primitive rocket stove. Okay, there she is, all started up. So what happens is air comes through this hole here, comes up onto there, and it burns the very end of the wood. And as you push the wood through, it continues to burn, so you can use minimum amounts of wood. Okay, we got the wind going with us now. A little bit of wind blowing in there. Of course, I turned it and it's lost a little out this crack, but I could easily fix that with some more fresh clay. We got our stick in there. Let's lift up the water pot here. It's almost reached boiling point. See the fire down in there.